Hello folks, we'll start with the very first question of our SQL 50 Leetcode problem solving questions. First question is recyclable and low fat products. The problem number is 1757, just for your reference. Let's read the description. So the product ID is the primary key for this table. So the column name, that is the product ID, it is the primary key of the table products that is mentioned here. So what is a primary key? Primary key is the column that contains all the unique values. Not a single duplicate will be there. So product ID is the primary key for the table products. The second column, that is low fats, is an enum category. So what is an enum? Enum simply means true or false, yes, no, male, female, and in this case it is Y or it is a N. Okay. So basically, if it is Y, that means the product is low fats product, and if it is N, that means it is not a low fat product. Simple. The third column is recyclable. That is also an enum, and if it is Y, that means it is recyclable product, and if it is N, that means it is not a recyclable product. So the problem statement is write a solution to find the IDs of the products that are both low fat and recyclable. Let's see this example that has been given here for the problem. The data set contains these three columns, and 0 is a product ID for which low fat is Y and recyclable is N. Okay. And the problem says we want all the product IDs where low fats is Y and recyclable is also Y. It is and not or. So please take care of that once. Uh, so 0 won't be in our final output because recyclable is Y. Even though low fats is Y, it won't be falling into our final output. Let's see for the product ID 1, we can see low fats is Y and it is also recyclable product. So yeah, in our final output, if we can see 1 is mentioned here. Same goes for 3 as well. So 3 also Y and Y. 2 won't be there because in low fats category it is N, and for 4 both of it is Y, both of it is in N and N. So let's start with the code first. Now select the column name that we have to get is product ID. So select the product ID from which table? The table's name is this, the products table. Okay, so we'll copy and just paste it here, products. Let's try to run this. Even though it will be a wrong answer, but we will get to see the output what we are getting. So just for this product, this particular code where we have just selected all the values from the product ID, we are getting this output. Fine, but we want to get wherever low fats is Y and recyclable is also Y. So we will need to add a filter here. We'll do this with the help of where condition, in where we'll give the low fats column where low fats equal to Y. Y has been given in a double quotes because it is a string data type. Had it been a integer, we would have given 1 or 2 or 3, but not in quotes. Okay, so it will be Y in double quotes, and adding the second condition is recyclable. So recyclable will copy directly from here, paste it, equal to. Now we'll give a single quote. This shows that both, either it is a double quote or a single quote, both of it will work. Fine. Now let's try to run this. Yeah. So for this particular case, that is the first case, this case, for this particular data set, this code is correct. Now if we submit this code, it will check for all of the other test cases for the particular problem. Yeah, we can see uh, all of the 22 cases have been passed. Don't fall for this. So this shows that it beats 36% of the codes, but this completely depends on the internet connection speed and your computer's specifications. So now if I resubmit it, this 36 will be changed to different number, different percentage. Now it is 98%. So yeah, only thing to be kept in mind is all of the test cases have been passed or not. Yeah. So thank you folks.